To change the video recording resolution in OBS, first of all, you will need to click on the file right here, navigate to the settings, and then open the video options. Now, for me, as you can see, it's locked and I cannot change it since I'm already recording video using OBS. But right here, you'll be able to type in your base canvas resolution, which will change the entire area that is available for the window of screen capture, and also the output scaled resolution, which is the screen capture resolution. So adjust it to your liking and then close it, go back to your main board of OBS, and then you will see the canvas increase or decrease in the size, and you will need to adjust the screen capture size up to the canvas that is visible with the entire black background. So you can scale it however you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.